Hello, my name is Andrew Honig, and I'm going to talk about the issue of the use of technology in the elementary schools. So some of the pros would be it can boost engagement, motivation, and then can teach students readiness for the future, and it allows for student learning to be more individualized. Boost engagement and motivation. Technology is something all of us enjoy, especially kids. Young students may become bored with lectures, textbooks, and written assignments. Technology adds a boost to the students' learning. It can encourage group participation using technology by providing a fun alternative to a traditional group work. Motivate students to complete work use of technology rather than traditional workbooks or written assignments. Prepare students for the future and allows individualized learning. It can prepare students for the future in a technology-driven world. Starting the use of technology at a young age can help prepare students for the use of technology in a higher level of education and in the workplace. As a teacher, it can be hard to cater to each student's ability and needs. Some students have an easier time with math. Some have a harder time with math. So I feel like that technology could help students work at their own pace. Technology helps students move at their own pace. If students are excelling in a certain area, they can move ahead of that topic or that class. And if they are struggling, they can repeat or work back on a few topics. This can just help the students feel better about themselves and have that time and have that information available to them. So some of the cons would be distractions causes loss of focus and it encourages laziness, and it has some health risks. So the first two is distraction and loss of focus. I think all kids are easily distracted and easily lose focus on the task at hand when they are using technology at a young age. This often occurs as a result of too much technology use. The student becomes dependent on the use of technology and is distracted by wanting to use the technology instead of using their own problem-solving skills or actions that they are taught in schools. Some of the health risks. So they may have sleep issues. As we know, technology has a prolonged blue light exposure that comes from them, and this can cause students to have a harder time falling asleep. Behavior issues. If a kid is on their iPad and they don't want to get off it, they're probably gonna get mad about it. It's just that part of it, which it can slow brain development. As kids present with slowed brain development due to the lack of face-to-face interaction. So technology causes us to be less interactive with other people, and this could be a problem. Conclusion. Now that we have looked at the pros and cons of having technology used in the classrooms of elementary schools, one can decide whether they are for it or against it. I personally think technology will benefit our younger generation. With the use of technology, kids can think outside the box, students are able to learn new things, find interests, and learn how different technology works. Technology is here to stay, and it's only going to get more complex. So I think it's beneficial to everyone that the use of technology in early elementary school exists. Thank you.